Hey guys, what's up? Everybody good? Now, today we're making a cocktail that's so simple to make, it's shocking. As a matter of fact, you could even call it electric. And that's what it is. It's electric lemonade. It's simple, pretty, very easy to make. I'm sure you'll love it. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to start it off by adding ice. An ounce of vodka, you know, the good stuff. 1 ounce of blue curacao. Then we're gonna add some lemonade. Alright, so we're gonna top it off with some Sprite. And we're going to garnish with a cherry. See? That was easy to make, right? Didn't take all that long. Very simple. Yeah, looks good. Definitely tastes good. But hey, don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Let me know what you think about it, like in the comments below. And if you like the drink, you can share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll definitely making better drinks, prettier drinks, more to come, a lot more to come soon. Just subscribe and see, okay?